lovelies, really quickly tagging this little intro onto this video because it was filmed a while ago, so just as a very quick update before the video begins, I just wanted to say I'm sorry, I've been gone for a little while, things have been a bit mental. I'm gonna do like proper update videos and stuff soon on what's been going on lately, but I've also been trying to catch up on some older video projects that I've been meaning to do for ages and just forgot about or put off. So that's what we've got today. It is one of the housewarming gift unboxings that I meant to do bloody ages ago. I had problems with it, sorted now, so that's what's today, and I'll see you guys soon for some other videos. I've also got some other house content from a while ago that I didn't get around to putting together, so lots coming, but for now, enjoy today's video. Sorry, see you soon! Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. We're back once again with the terrible directly overhead lighting, but it's fine. We're here to do part 2 of opening your housewarming gifts, which I'm very excited to do. I've been really wanting to do this anyway, but I've had like workmen in the house constantly for the past couple of days. And then tonight I was trying to do more painting in the bedroom, and then I realized that a tool that I ordered from Amazon that I need to finish painting the bedroom is in one of these boxes, and I don't know which because I wasn't sensible enough to set up a system to be able to tell my orders apart from the things you guys sent me. So I need to do this unboxing right now if I want to be able to continue painting. So that's what we're doing. We see, I'll pick one. It'll be like the first one will be the thing. How much do you want to bet? I've just figured it out. Yeah. If I had have just used a smidgen of brain power, I could have figured that out before I spent ages getting ready to say, I'm happy to be doing this, but I really wanted to finish painting the bedroom tonight. Oh well, here we go, right? So that was, yeah, that's like a spongy thing that I ordered. On to the things you guys, I can't believe. Imagine if it's the first one I pick up. The box that felt suspiciously light, like there was nothing in it. That was the one. Okay, so first up we have a big old something in a big old fragile thing. Oh my god, wow, okay, oh, it's cooler than I thought. Right, we have a bird bath slash bird feeder slash little garden light, little solar light. That's really cute. Oh, I can't wait to set it up for the birdies. I am going to lose my mind the first time I see them using this. Thank you. This does not seem like it has any sort of note with it, but I very much appreciate that. That is awesome. Oh, I'm gonna put that up tomorrow, I think. Okay, may this make your home a little safer, from Shauna. Oh, cool! It's this really cool moth-shaped smoke alarm, which is good because I think the smoke alarm in here isn't actually working, so yay! That's look at it! These are so cool. It's like such an unnecessary thing, but like also very necessary. And they come in other colors as well. I think there were like, there's one in pink and maybe like a minty green. Obviously I wanted the black one, but that's so cool. I can't wait to set this up. Oh, yes! Oh, heavier than I thought. Okay. Ah! Ooh! Ah! Right, so first of all, oh, this is good. I wish I had this the other day. So we have an electric mixer whisker thing. Very, very good, because I did make like a little test cake the other day. It went sort of okay. I think I can do better. I made a little test cake the other day, but I did not have this, so I had to do it by hand. This is gonna make life so much easier. Thank you. Wait, is there a note in here? This is what I mean, I get too excited. Oh, this is also from Shauna. Enjoy your housewarming gift, Kaya. Congratulations. Thank you. So there's the electric mixer. Wait, is it the same Shauna? I'm just assuming it's the same Shauna. Yes. Yes, Shauna G. Yes, okay, cool. And then also in here is this beautiful fucking bedspread. Look, red with gold, with tassels. It's very fancy. Very, very excited for this. Yes! Oh my god, I can't wait to set up my bed. It arrived today. It is fucking massive. We didn't think it was going to be able to go up the stairs, and I was really panicking because I did not want to have to deal with sending that thing back. We got it upstairs. Setting it up is going to be a whole thing to do by myself, but I can do it. But first I need to finish painting the bedroom, so... And then that's good. Oh, yay! Okay, right. Next. Ow, heavy. Okay. Ooh, ah! So this is from Gemma. So happy to hear you finally have a place of your own. You deserve all of the happiness and nice things. I've never sent anything this way before, so I hope it arrives without issue. Congratulations. Thank you, Gemma. Oh, lovely. So we have, oh, is there more? Oh, I think there's more than one thing in here. We have some fancy glasses. Normal and have normal glasses. I need to be extra, and these look really pretty, very fancy, very good. Thank you. Ah! It is a little like mirror specifically for the shower so it doesn't get foggy, and you can hang it up, like stick it up in the shower, which is just very useful in general to be able to like wash my face, shave my eyebrows, things like that. So that's great. Thank you. I love little useful things like this. clean all these boxes up before the workmen come back tomorrow. Oh, this is an exciting one because it is the only thing here that is actually not from my wish list. One of my friends sent me this. It's someone that like I'm close enough friends with that I, you know, felt comfortable giving them my address, obviously. So this, I have no idea what it is, but I am excited. Let me see. This is from my... Oh, oh, what's all this? Okay, so there are, ooh, cute. So there's some little like frappe things. There are some different tea bags. There's Earl Grey, ginger and lemon, ginger orange with vanilla, and something that I cannot read. Oh, cute. Okay, let me set those aside. There's also okay, good. It does. It says Sebastian on here. This is for Sebastian. I was looking at this and I was like, there's not enough of the packaging. I assume this is for a cat. Is it meant to be for me? Because I can't tell what it is. I'm like, am I supposed to eat this? Because I don't want to eat it and find out it's for, but it's for Sebastian and it says that. That's really cute. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to give that to him. Ooh. Oh, there's some cute little stickers. Ooh. There's this little card that is for her store. Hopefully you can see the information on there. I'll try to remember to put a link to her store and stuff down below. Dear Kaya, congratulations on your new home. I'm so happy for you. No one deserves good karma more than you. I wanted to send you this wall hanger that's made of 3 something that I can't read runes. They represent strength, courage, and resilience. I've included some treats for both you and Sebastian. I hope you're reunited when this arrives. Almost. He will be here soon. Much love and light, Mai. P.S. Hope we can meet up in real life soon. Love to picnic and explore together. Yes, please. I would love that soon. As soon as I'm all settled in here, I want to make a trip out there. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh. Can we see it? Oh, how cool. And this will so go with the vibe in the living room as well. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. How sweet. I want to put a lot of stuff on the walls, but I've kind of realized I don't have a lot of wall because there's like one side is completely window, the other side is like almost completely door, and then a lot of the rest of the walls are taken up by these cabinets. So I don't have a ton of wall space, but I am going to fill up every little nook and cranny with cool stuff like this. Thank you. Ah! We have a very big extension cable. There's no note with it. And I can't remember if this is something I ordered or if this is something someone has sent to me, because I ordered something to do with an extension cable, but I can't remember if it was this big one or a multi-pack of smaller ones. The fact that there's no note, I'm like, am I the one that ordered this? I'm not sure. In case someone sent me this one and I've gotten mixed up, thank you. Always need more frickin' extension cords. If it is one that I ordered myself, thank you. This is from Sarah and it says, congratulations on the new place. Hope you find all the best studs. Yes. Oh! I was so confused. None of it makes sense. That's why I thought you meant like guys, and I was like, what? It's a stud finder for the wall, for all the things I need to put in. That makes more sense. Thank you so much. Oh, this is something I opened a teeny tiny bit just to have the slightest peek inside to see if it was something else that I was looking for, and then when I saw it clearly wasn't, I closed it back up, so I still don't know what's in here. It's something that doesn't seem like it's gonna have a note because it came like via Royal Mail instead of Amazon. Yeah, there's no note. But, ooh, hey! God, look at this. It is like a beautiful little hanging lantern, which I love. I really want to have like a lot of cool stuff like hanging sort of like from the ceiling, like around the edges. This is just such a vibe. I could put like a little LED candle in there. Amazing! Thank you whoever sent that. Look, the glass is so pretty, look. Wow. Lovely. Okay. Oh no, okay, here's a 3-pack fix. No. 3? Yes, 3 packs. I think these might be the ones I ordered, which means someone sent the other one. So thank you for that. Okay, now I've got plenty. Good, right. Yes, now I know exactly where all of these are going. Great. Thank you very much to the first one and to me for the second one. Oh! Okay, yeah, there's no note with this, but is a multi-pack of, in the theme of hanging things from the ceiling, like macrame plant pot holders. It's kind of hard to show what they are here, but I'm sure you know what I mean. Like you put the plant pot in here and it hangs. It's a bunch of those. 1, 2, 6. 6 plant hangers. Do you know what that means? That means I need to buy more plants. Oh no, what a terrible problem to have. I guess I need to go to the plant shop. Ooh, thank you. Yeah, no. We have another extension cord. Doing well with extension cords. I can guarantee all of these will be used within a week and I will need more. It's just one of those things. But yes, oh god, especially when I start setting up my office. I forgot how many things need plugged in. This is very good. This is gonna help. And then what they also have, which I have desperately needed, oh my god, is a drill bit set, which is amazing because my friend has lent me their drill. I have my own drill somewhere, I just need to find it. In the meantime, they've lent me their drill for a couple of things I need to do. But they didn't have any pieces small enough for some of the things that I've needed to do, and I've been like, shit, this came just in the nick of time because tomorrow I think I need, yes, there's a bunch of things I need to put on into the walls tomorrow, so that is perfect. Thank you. Dear Kaya, I'm really glad that you finally found a home to be called yours. I'm looking forward to see you decorating your home, taking care of your garden, and you know what? Whatever you want to do. From Marina. Thank you so much, that's so sweet. Oh, sweet, yeah! Yay! Wait. Yay! We have a pots and pans set, which is very good because I've been cooking a lot but I only have like one teeny tiny pot and pan each, so it has been difficult. Now I can do it properly. This is perfect. Thank you so much. Battery symbol! Don't do this to me. We're so close. Oh! There was no note in there. Okay. I ordered batteries, but they're gonna take a while to come in, so. We have a nice little bottle of rose syrup. I've got the lavender and now I've got the rose. We're doing well for floral syrups. They are my favorite. Thank you very much. I'm pretty sure there's no note with that one either. Okay, so this is from Alexandria. I'm really glad you have somewhere to live now. I was going to send something practical, but there wasn't much left in my budget, so I hope this brings a smile to your face and brightens up your new place. Thank you so much. Let's have a little look and see what it... Okay. Right, I'm back after charging my camera. Before I uncover my face, I would like to explain something. I have not been crying. However, I was bored while I was waiting for my camera to charge, so I decided to make some TikToks, one of which involved fake tears, so I had to go and like put mascara under my eyes and drop water in my eyes. I did all that and I finished it. I was like, there, TikTok done. And then I remembered I need to finish this video. I can't be bothered to try to fix this. So, just pretend it's from Tears of Joy. I can't believe I didn't think that through. Oh, right, okay. I hope that TikTok is up by now so that there's an explanation for this. we got to a box, we didn't get to open the box. Let's open the box. Oh! It's a little terrarium! Like, I needed this. I have a terrarium kit and the only thing it doesn't have is like this and the plants. Maybe terrarium building video. Not just like immediately because I do have a lot going on, but it's happening soon, I think. Yes! Thank you very much! Oh! Hold on. Note. This is from Mason and it says, enjoy rocking out in your house without anyone criticizing what you're listening to. You're amazing and I'm so glad for you. Thank you, Mason. Very much appreciated. Damn right. No one can complain about my music anymore. This is a little like Bluetooth speaker for the shower that can like, every time I look at myself, it's waterproof and you can like stick it on so I can have music in the bath and in the shower. Thank you very much. Love that. Okay. Oh, sweet. We have like magic clothes hanger things, which again, I'm going to be doing the closet hopefully tomorrow, if not probably Thursday. I'm not sure, but it's happening soon and these are going to be very useful for organizing stuff. Thank you. Oh, I have workmen coming again at 8:30 in the morning. I don't think there's a note with this, but this is just like an acrylic hair tie and scrunchie holder, which I thought would be super useful for the dressing room because I'm always losing my hair ties. So it'd be very nice to just have a bunch of them on this, neat, ready to go. Great, thank you so much. Notes. Here we go. So there's a few things in here from April. It says, Dear Kaya, I really hope these help in making your new place a home. From an admirer who's always inspired by you, from April. Thank you so much, that's so sweet. First of all, I see what looks like a nice candle. I want to see the candle. Look how pretty. That is like the nicest candle I've ever seen. Like, once all the wax is gone from this, I'm definitely using the jar for something else because wow. And it is balsam fir and cedar wood scented. Oh, and it smells really good. Did I say in a video or on an Instagram thing? I want a lot of like green planty smells for in here, and this is very good. Yes, and it's so pretty. Okay. Oh, cool. I saw these, I think maybe on TikTok, and I thought they were such a good idea. They're like little popcorn poppers for the microwave. You can do it with just like any sort of like popcorn things and add your own like seasonings. So that's just like a really handy little gadget. So yeah, popcorn, movie nights, yes. Are these? These are more of those mirror tiles. That's right, I think I added more than one box of these onto my wish list because for where I want to put them, I would need more. So I've got the other box of those now. Sweet, okay. Excited to be able to do that. Amazing, okay, very good. Oh, I see, I was completely lost for a sec. Ow, this doesn't look like much here, but it is like you put it all up together and it's like a little spinning makeup organizer. Again, for the dressing room. Yes, very good. Oh, I can't wait to like not just have all my makeup in bags and actually have it set out for the first time in like half a year. How exciting. Perfect, thank you, very useful. Oh, also from Shauna, and it says stay cool. Oh, it's a fan! Oh Lord. Is there any pictures? There are no pictures, but it's just like a fan for in the summer when it's warm. Right now it's still very cold here. My heating is still in the process of being put in. Should be finished tomorrow. I will finally have heat. But for the summer when it is way too hot, I know I have a fan also for taking stupid videos with my hair blowing in the wind. Priorities. Thank you. Okay, well, once again, thank you so much everyone. You're all absolutely amazing. I really can't get over all of this. As always, all the links are down below. Anything you need will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye lovelies!